Okay?
Okay, we're here. Our mechanic that repaired the gearbox received your gearbox today, disassembled it, and he's got some explanation. So I don't know if you can see good enough, but Nacho, please, would you elaborate?
When I took it apart, I checked all the end plates, and all the end plates checked okay. But the way I find out, we took the shaft out, and then we find out that this shaft is got like a cam. It's 21 thousandths off from from the zero position. So the way we figure that when you set the gearbox, you have to set this one in zero for you to be able to set the gear straight.
And you can see everything is level so far.
Right now it's on level, and then I didn't have this one before, but we could just find out about this, that this was like a cam.
Yeah, so basically it's called an eccentric shaft.
Yeah,
it's not centered.
Shaft, yeah.
This side is larger than this side here, even though it might be minute, but it's basically eccentric. Okay,
then when you set it, you have to set it straight to the base,
To the base.
Where the gearbox goes. If it's not straight, you're gonna set your gear off, and you don't want that because that's when it's making noise.
Okay, so basically the base gets mounted onto this shaft here.
Yes.
Correct? Okay. So the base isn't long enough so it doesn't touch the ground. So you're going to have the weight of the base and the pulley pulling the gearbox. Basically, it's not going to be on time. It's not going to be centered anymore. It's going to be crooked. So that's what's going on. When you put it online, the weight is bringing it off center. So that's why you're getting the wobble sound, the bouncing around sound. Now the way to address that, after you put your base on, Nacho, would you care to explain?
They have to turn this shaft to where you have it on by the stand, to have it on zero.
Explain what you do.
On here.
Do a rotation so you can show them. Simple. There's a couple of bolts here, so if this one doesn't center it, go to the next rotation, that should center it. Correct, Nacho? Explain, I'm sorry, maybe I was wrong. Okay.
Yeah, you can just rotate and put it anywhere. It's fine as long as you find your zero position.
Okay, yeah, as long as you find the zero position. So basically, got a zero on the
shaft.
On that shaft.
Once you find the zero position on your stand, then you're not gonna have this anymore or this anymore.
Okay, I got it. I think I got it.
Okay.
He's the mechanic. I'm the salesman. Yeah. Lastly, we see a concern here that just came to our attention. This bearing is going to be very difficult to get lubricated. We changed every bearing. So what we're going to do is we're going to pack this bearing with grease, and we're going to pack this bearing with grease as well. So between the bearings being greased and between the oil that you're going to put, it'll get adequate lubrication. So we're going to do that for you guys.
But in the future, it might gonna be hard if you put grease in it, because you have to put grease all the way to this bearing.
That bearing.
And it's a lot.
A lot. Okay.
Most people, they just do a few pumps and
right,
that's it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.